Secure the fridge with a strap to the cart. Roll the cart up slowly on its rubber belts. The bottom partner should assist by lightly pushing up. As the cart exits the doorway, it may shift. Slow down. It's not a race. It is critical at this point not to dent or scratch a door or the inside of the frame. It's not a race. Heavy objects on stairs have a higher probability for damaging floors and doorways. If you do not have a fridge cart, carrying it up the stairs with straps or by hand is not uncommon. Some guys prefer to hand bomb a fridge instead of using a cart.